I got nothing on y'all guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, about to turn that shit around. We're about to get kicked out already, bro. We just got here. That's wild, bro. This feels like a ride out here.
You guys ever get with the management here?
What do you mean?
If you had a permit to do this, or if you talk to them and arrange something for them, like, I understand why you guys do it.
Yeah.
It's safer back here. There's no cars. You get the fuck around if you want.
Yeah.
You know, but they're upset because you guys come here and they leave trash and shit like that. But
Yeah.
if you guys had something that was like a little bit more organized, you know, we wouldn't be back here harassing you guys all the time.
I feel you.
So I don't know who runs this or who's in charge, if it's just something that you guys post on social media and you meet up. But I try to get a hold of whoever owns the property, because I mean you could probably get a permit to do shit like this, so that way you guys can have fun and not have to worry about being bothered. You know what I mean?
I never thought we could. That'd be cool.
Yeah, I mean, because this is their property, so they can do whatever they want with it.
Yeah.
So if somebody that, you know, I don't know, your fucking business guy that runs your shit, you know, and be like, hey man, you guys mind if, you know, they'll probably charge you a fee or something like that, and then you can come back here, and as long as you don't destroy the shit, you're
yeah.
good, you know. But yeah, outside of that, if like we come back here all the time now because we know you guys are back here. Like I ride, man. I hate to be the guy to tell you to get out, but yeah.
Well, guys, everybody's gone.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Oh my god. Fog.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi. License, registration, insurance, please.
Yep. It's in the...
Yeah, go ahead. You know why I'm stopping you? You don't?
I do.
Okay. Stunting, right?
It's just stupid.
Yeah, you shouldn't be stunting. The reason is for not just you,
I know, for other
safety
people.
of everyone around you, right?
I know, sir. Just had a very stressful day and I thought I'll just go for a rip, but...
No, fair enough. I do understand, you know, everyone has their own way of getting rid of frustration, but I don't want to see that hurting someone else, right?
Yeah.
So that would be considered stunting under the Traffic Safety Act, right?
Yeah.
So honestly, I saw it on White Ave and I was just gonna ignore it, and then I saw it down here again, so I thought, well,
it was a Jeep.
If it's gonna keep going, then
It was a Jeep, the Jeep behind me.
No, it was me.
No, the Jeep, the car which was behind me, they were like, oh, you know what, show us. I'm like, it's just
Oh,
stupid.
they asked you.
Yeah.
I see.
Twice. I'm like, no, I'm like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't
there.
always listen to people.
No, I don't.
They're not the ones getting stopped right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm actually at work right now. I had a half an hour break, so I just thought I'll go for a little.
And then you get to spend it with me. Lovely, hey?
It's just
You seem reasonable. Probably made a bad decision. Sounds like 2 bad decisions.
too bad. That's a bad week. I got denied my mortgage for a house. I was just,
Fair enough.
yeah, I'm sorry.
You know what? We all have bad days, I'll give you that. But I just don't want to see it getting someone hurt or someone killed. Especially on this. And I'm sure maybe you think you're in control, but we see it all. And I'm not telling you this by just the stories, but we do more often than not see these highlights come on our screen, on our computers, where someone died of a, motorcycle collision because of bad decisions. I don't want that to be you. I don't want to scrape you off the floor with a shovel.
Totally hear you, sir. I see it every day. I know. But
Okay.
It's just stupid of me.
You've been respectful. This might have been different if you were.
No, I know it's
but
my
you've been very
fault.
respectful, and just give me a warning today. Carry on.
Thank
Do
you,
it
sir.
safer, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. Oof. Are you pulling him or me over? What? Are you pulling him or me over? Me? Okay. I wasn't sure, so because he pulled over too, so.
Okay. No guns or anything on you, right?
No.
Okay, just stay.
Oh, I do have a pocket knife in my left hand.
Reach for it. Let me see what they're doing.
Got it. A little less than a year.
Okay. You probably have a lot of friends that ride then, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You know that weaving in the lane like that is not okay.
Okay. I just got new tires on this thing,
Okay.
and they say weaving in and out of it evens out the tread of it.
Absolutely, it does.
So that's the only reason I do that.
Yep,
So.
I ride, and I get why you're doing it.
Right.
However, do it in the daytime if you're going to do it.
Okay.
Because remember at night, right? We got a headlight.
Right.
And what do people think?
So I guess that makes sense. I didn't really think about it that way too.
All right, see that motorcycle weaving in his lane like that? What the hell is this guy doing?
Right.
Looking to.
He might just weave over, yeah.
You can't predict what you're going to do, right? So
I got you.
maybe a lot of times we get a bad rap for people who ride for
Your stupid shit like that, yeah.
traffic or doing silly things like that. So therefore, it just kind of makes it real difficult for you. And then, of course, we stop you, and
Right. I got you.
people might think that we're harassing you.
Right. No, I don't think you are. I mean, if I had a legitimate reason to pull over, then it's like if I'm doing something stupid, it's it is what it is.
You can't
But
sit there be weaving in the lane like that.
Right.
It's one thing in the daytime. Get your tires broken in a little bit. There's time and a place for that. But at night, obviously, it's not the time.
right. Okay.
Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, man. Have a good night. Ride
Thanks,
safe.
sir. Appreciate it.